Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurfadilah and I will give a rebuttal for the first speaker in the first motion, that is the relocation of the capital city of Indonesia. The capital city is place where the government do all the government's administrative and also the bureaucracy activity, and it's totally different with a business city where the economics activity will be mainly controlled there. And the first speaker regret the relocation of the capital city of Indonesia, and I totally disagree about that. The first one is because those who are willing to move to IKN is just not people or workers that only want a lot of bonuses, but also they are a selected people by in terms of integrity and also the ability. And the government will not easily accept the workers that want to be placed to the IKN will all a lot of bonuses without doing the good selection. Based on the news that I've read, the National Development Planning Agency or Bappenas do the several selections. Firstly is based on the works and also the competency reports. The second selection is based on the workers criteria, that is the educational background. The minimum backgrounds is the associate's degree. And I also disagree with the speaker's one statement that workers who have good quality or skill don't want to be moved to IKN and choose to stay in Java, because I think people that have a good integrity will always follow the government's rules as long as it's a positive things and give positive impacts too. And they will want to be placed to IKN because they want to develop the country by develop the administrative city. Exactly IKN, and with their good abilities and also the integrity. And I totally disagree with the speaker's one statement that the native will not provide or understand the whole works, because I think in this globalization era there is no differences in the quality of the population in Kalimantan or in Java, because everyone has the same opportunities to access the online education and training that available everywhere. Apart from that, it's not uncommon to find people which have achievement and who work in the government in Java or in Kalimantan that have a educational background in Kalimantan too. And in the news that I've read, the human research in Kalimantan, it always continues to improve. The government will certainly also provide special training to workers, then to create a better worker performance, so that the relocation of the capital city will not be hampered or have a negative impact on the government employment, but vice versa. And the other terms or the other arguments that I will give is relocation can even out infrastructure and also economic development. And based on the news I've read, in East Kalimantan there will be a lot of energy and also the infrastructure development carried out by the government, including being able to easy accessibility and connectivity to economic searches to become much easier. And in the other side, the Jakarta city will be focused to be built as an economic city, because there will be a stable public situation and the decreasing of government demonstration. So economic activities just like trade, office activities, import export, creative industry, and other economics uh, will be run easily with no any disruptions. So that I agree with the relocation of the capital city, because can even out the Indonesia's developments, then uh, Indonesia infrastructure and also economics development, so that the development is not Java centric. And the other argument that I will give is relocation can solve the environmental and population's density in Jakarta or in Java. The absence of government activity can reduce the government's own land, so it can be converted to a green open space. And the reduction of population will provide opportunities for providing housing, especially for the lower middle class, so that the relocation of the capital city of Indonesia can solve the environmental and also the population density problem in Java, exactly in Jakarta. With all the arguments that have been mentioned before, the relocation of capital city is good project and have positive impacts for Indonesia, such as help equalize the number and also the quality of the human resource of Indonesia. And the second one is also have help the infrastructure and economic development. And the third one is also solve the environmental and population density problem in Java. I think that's it. Thank you.